hair dissolving cream made by two hairy guys. This is in Mango Magic. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Allure beauty box for the month of March. I'll pop our deets right here while I'm opening up the package. I will also note this was on the outside of my box, so I don't know if I accidentally ordered an add-on or if this just didn't fit in or if they forgot it. Because y'all, I'm real forgetful. I'm real forgetful. So we'll figure that out when we get into the box. I love Allure Beauty. I have received this off and on, honestly, for probably 8 years or something like that, a very long time. I like that the focus with Allure is kind of more mainstream, current type things that are kind of cult classics, well loved. Allure's like best in beauty. We also get some new releases and things like that. I do find that it's pretty skincare focused. So for me, as a kind of standard consumer, if you will, when I didn't have my resale group and stuff like that, I would get it for like 3 months and then cancel for a little while, get it for 3 months and cancel for a little while, because how much skincare can we possibly use on one face? But I feel like they're overall pretty skincare heavy, but I always feel like I get a great value. You guys know I'm a sucker for subscription boxes. I really enjoy subscription boxes, especially because I feel like you get a great bang for your buck. With saying that, I'd like to know what your favorite subscription boxes are. And it doesn't even have to be beauty related. That helps because obviously, you know, that's what I'm into, but I'd like to know. All right. We do always get a little informative pamphlet. It will let us know why they chose what they chose. It gives us a price point, and most of the time we also get a discount code. I honestly wish that every subscription box would do this. If you're gonna give me additional paper and BS and stuff like that, cards, whatever the case may be, I want pertinent details. So I like that. I really love that about them. We also have the Reader's Choice Awards that people can go and vote on. And it is generally packaged. Wow, this is full. Wow. It's packaged pretty well. First thing right on top is the Melt Away. Is that the brand? Or Waska? I'm not quite sure. It says hair dissolving cream. Oh! Hair dissolving cream made by two hairy guys. This is in Mango Magic Face and Body. Effortlessly remove undesired hair from head to toe with our gentle botanical rich formula. Deliciously scented like fresh mango. Color me intrigued, you guys. I actually use the Nair body for my body. So yeah, I love stuff like this. This is a product I will get some use out of. I've never heard of them, so I'm intrigued. So yeah, and if you've tried anything, comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Next up, is from Rose Inc. This is the Blush Divine Radiant Lip and Cheek Color. Now, if this doesn't set down, it is not for me. And this is in Heliotrope. I've not tried a whole lot from Rose Inc. I'm trying to think if I tried anything. The packaging I love. Hello, there we go. That is a very strange consistency. And it has a little bit of water droplets on it. I'm gonna note it's 90 degrees today. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna like the texture of this. I am somebody that I like cream product, but I like a more kind of dense cream product that has a dry down, that sets down, and I think this is going to do that. Hopefully it does. Again, though, if you've tried it, definitely let me know. Y'all, I'm already excited as hell about this box. Next up is the Blossom Essentials Hydration Oil with Marula and Golden Jojoba. Now, is this for skin or hair? Weightless Moisture Visible Glow, a silky antioxidant-rich oil designed to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish your skin from head to toe. Okay. And it's got squalane, rosehip. That sounds really nice, especially for somebody like me that has very dry skin. But I am currently using a Corez lotion, so I'm not going to open that just yet. Y'all, there's so much stuff in here. I'm excited. Next up is the True Skin Sculpted Lip Liner in Mulberry. That also looks like a beautiful color. We don't usually get quite so many makeup items, y'all. Ooh, okay. Nice sleek packaging. It is a twist up, and that shade looks absolutely stunning. It feels nice and creamy while also having a little firmness to it, which is my preferred type of a liner. I'm excited as heck about that too. All right, y'all, look. This thing is packing a punch. Okay, next up is the Grown Alchemist, the Soothing Hand Cream. Ooh, that also sounds really nice. I feel like Grown Alchemist they're a staple in a lot of our subscription boxes, and they are a quite pricey brand. That is what it looks like. And they do come in the middle tubes, which I like because you don't get as much waste with something like this. And then our little sampler of the month is the Lumi deodorant with clinical strength sweat control in soft powder. I've actually used the regular one before, as well as like the Lumi like whole body. Yeah, y'all, this is packing a punch. Again, this I don't remember if it was an add-on or what. This is the YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze Glossy Shine Lip Gloss Stick in Scenic Brown. I do already have something on my lips. I've never tried this before. Oh my gosh, that feels nice, y'all. Very, very weighty. Feels very nice and very luxe, as it should. That is the shade. Actually, I'll just kind of put it on top of this. I don't smell anything. Ooh! I like the texture already. And considering that wasn't quite as dark as this, it does have a little bit of a tint to it. Ooh, I like this. It doesn't have any stickiness or tackiness or anything like that. I'm blown away. I'm giving it a 5 out of freaking 5, y'all. All right, let's talk some deets. All right. First up, we have our Rose Ink product. The Cream Blush Refillable Cheek and Lip Color in Foxglove, Hydrangea, Azalea, or Heliotrope. We got Heliotrope. Why you'll love it. Pack up your powder. It's cream blush season. Warmer temps call for some glow. And this 2-in-1 melts into your skin rouge, gives cheeks and lips an instant flush with a pretty sheen-like finish. You'll choose one of 4. How you'll use it: inside the refillable compact, you'll find a velvety formula that can be applied with your fingertips or a dome-shaped brush, or both, with a quick swirl and tap. Although the color payoff is impressive, it's also buildable, so repeat until you reach your desired look. This is a retail price of $32 for 0.15 ounces. This is a full size and already worth the entirety of our box. They do have a promo code. Receive 20% off your purchase site-wide with code ROSEINK. And then making the little heart with like the arrow into 3, I'll show you guys. Allure 20, valid through April 30th, 2026. Let me just get it close and show you guys. So there's our discount code, and there are also the shades. All right, I think I'm gonna like that. Like I said, if it dries down. If it doesn't dry down, because it's kind of saying that it has a sheen-like finish, I may use it on my lips, but I would not use it on my cheeks. I am somebody that goes the complete opposite direction in the summertime. I'm somebody that goes a little bit more kind of heavy on the bronzers and stuff like that. And I go a little bit more like matte, soft matte, instead of super glowy, because it is incredibly, incredibly muggy here, and my makeup will fall right off my face, y'all. Next up was the Grown Alchemist, the Soothing Hand Cream. Why you'll love it. Your hands need TLC year-round, not just when it's cold. This hydrating treatment douses dry digits and palms and cuticles with nourishing aloe and grapeseed oil, plus moisture-locking glycerin and sodium hyaluronate. How you'll use it. Squirt 2 generous dollops of cream into the back of your hands and then massage until completely soaked in. Toss into any bag and take it on the go. The chic aluminum tube is also TSA friendly. This is 32 ounces. 32 ounces. Oh my gosh, could you imagine? $32 for 2.1 ounces. So again, pretty much worth the entirety of our box. There is no code with this product this month. Okay, next up is the Waxa Scented Hair Removal Cream in Guava Butter or Mango Magic. Why you'll love it. Depilatory creams are best known for removing body hair, often with an unbearable rotten egg smell. Not this one. The thick lotion safely dissolves hair with tropical scents reminiscent of cocktails, not sulfur, and leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth. How you'll use it. Pump the paste-like formula directly onto clean, dry skin, and then rub into hair using your fingertips. For the face, leave on for 2 to 3 minutes and 5 to 8 minutes for the body before removing. Wipe away and rinse. Retail price is $20 for 6.7 ounces. Again, a full size. And they do have a promo code. Receive 20% off your purchase with code Allure20, valid through May 1st, 2026. Okay. Next up is the Blossom Essentials Hydration Oil. Dermatologists recommended lightening your lotion load in the spring, and this face elixir makes for a pleasant replacement. Made with a cocktail of nourishing seed oils, the antioxidant-rich hydrator deeply moisturizes with a delicate touch and feel, and a surprisingly fast dry down. How you'll use it: use the dropper to squeeze a dime-size amount into palms before gently dabbing onto freshly cleansed, damp skin. Afterwards, you'll notice instant luminosity. This is $34 for 56 ml. Again, a full-size product. And there is a promo code. Receive 15% off your purchase with code Allure15, valid through May 1st, 2026. The lip liner, the True Skin Sculpted Lip Liner in Mulberry. Why you'll love it. Despite its look, shape, and feel, this liner is for lips, not eyes. The twisty, retractable pencil glides onto Cupid's bows just as easily as its lid-friendly counterparts, but with a creamier, soft matte texture. How you'll use it: for best results, hold the pencil at a slight angle while outlining and filling in. Wear solo or under your favorite gloss for added shine and a touch of moisture. This is $26 for 0.04 ounces. I don't know if I can read that without my glasses. Okay, yes, it is a full size. And receive 25% off all products with code Allure25, valid through May 31st, 2026. And then it shows a Skin Food Carrot Calming Water Pad. I don't have that in here. Yes, I do. Ignore everything I said. Now I'm even happier, y'all. This is a freaking banger of a box. Okay, anyways, we had a Skin Food Carrot Carotene Calming Water Pad. While you use it, toners aren't what they used to be 10 or 20 years ago, and that's a good thing. Gone are the days of harsh, alcohol-based treatments that strip skin. In are hydrating formulas that soothe and plump, like these pre-soaked cotton pads made with carrot root extract and glycerin. How you'll use it: I'm intrigued, y'all. After cleansing, place the sheet directly onto cheeks or forehead, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, snap a selfie, and then pat in the excess essence. This is $19 for 60 pads. We do get 2 pads as a sampler in the box. Where to buy it? You can go to Amazon.com. Receive 20% off your purchase with code CARROTPADS20, valid through May 31st, 2026. And then last up is the Lumi, the deodorant with clinical strength sweat control. Why you'll love it: if you prefer aluminum in your deodorant, no shame in the sweat stopping game. This tiny tube is bound to become a gym, work, and night out bag staple. The solid stick glides easily onto underarms to prevent perspiration for up to 72 hours with a nostalgic powdery scent. How you'll use it: hopefully we all know how to use these. I'm definitely gonna say though, with stuff like this, baby, until you get used to it, until your body gets used to it, you're gonna smell a little bit funky. That just is what it is, and that's not just me saying that. Every person I've ever known to use these says the exact same thing. I'd like to know what you guys think. This is retail price is $15 for 2.6 ounces. We get 0.5. Receive 20% off your purchase with code Allure, valid through May 31st. It's limited to one-time purchases. I'm gonna assume, I don't know, maybe I saw this or I got an email and I added this, or it's a bonus or something. I don't know, but it's really pretty and it's really comfortable and I'm gonna use it. Yeah, 5 out of 5. I think this is phenomenal. This is actually one of my favorite boxes I've received in a very long time. Of course, you know, when I'm speaking in terms of like IPSY and stuff like that, I just want a palette. I want a palette in every single box. But with this, I kind of already know, you know, I already have my sights set on, I'm going to get kind of the latest, greatest of things. I'm going to get some new things, some cult classics. I'm going to get a lot of skincare. I am really happy to see some makeup products in here though. So yeah, I'd like to know what you guys thought. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can also hype the video. You can also share the video out, and it helps me so much, as does watching the video in its entirety. entirety. You can also click the join button down below to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!